This is the Home River Group. We're here at 3117 Capri Drive. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home with an unfinished basement. This home is brand new, April of 2018. We'll give you a quick look at the neighborhood. Again, you can tell all new builds. Grass is being installed. We're going to take you in the front door now. It is a covered entryway. As you come in, you'll notice on the floors we do have tile going into carpet into the family room. We're going to start off going here to the right where we have 2 of our bedrooms. First bedroom, standard closet in these. Lots of natural lighting with the large windows. Again, second bedroom, standard closet. And we do have a bathroom up here. Tile floor in there. We'll come down the hallway. This door here goes off to the 2-car garage. We have an open floor plan here. Family room, dining room, kitchen with a breakfast bar. You'll notice we do have upgraded stainless steel appliances with a large pantry right off of the kitchen. I'm going to come this way and give you another view of the family room area. Again, the basement is unfinished. We'll take you down there at the end of the video tour. Coming down the hallway here, we have our laundry room on the left, washer and dryer hookups, along with a counter, hanging bar, and shelves. We have our master bedroom right here. On the right here we have the master bath. And we have a large walk-in closet there. We'll take you downstairs real quick and just give you a quick view of the unfinished basement. Lots of space down here. Utilities are down here also. And this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath house on Capri for rent by Home River Group, Idaho Falls. Have a great day.